Today I'd like to introduce one of the popular diesel injection pump test bench, DTS 619. This test bench used for testing mechanical pump like Bosch, Diesel, and other brand pump. For testing mechanical pump, it can test 12-cylinder pump. You can see our catalog. We can do the green original. You can see our catalog. We can do the Bosch green, orange, and red. For the color, we can do as your requirement. Now we will show you the details of this test bench. You can see this industry computer control system is one of best performance of inverter delivery speed adjusting injector pump test bench. This control system used 17-in-touch plug and color LCD display, or English menu, or adjusting interface. It can print and keep the fuel pump adjusting data with manual input. See this switch for pump, start, stop, urgent stop. Another one, save. Negative pressure meter, positive pressure meter, inter-pressure meter, low pressure meter, high pressure meter, and flow meter. You can see here oil supply pipe connection and oil return pipe connection. DC power. Fans, oil tank, oil supply motor, fans, inverter. You can see here the power is cable connection. This test bench, the power is 15 kilowatt, and the wattage is 220. You can see here the cable connection. You can connect 3 cable, 10, 20, 30. About power, we can do 7.5 kilowatt, 11, 50, 18.5, 22, and 37. We can do it at your requirement. This one is air compressor. Now our engineer will show you how to use this test bench. For the mechanical pump, it can check the oil return and the oil supply. It can test point and interval angle of oil supply of injection pump. It can test each cylinder delivery at any speed. Also can check the styling of injection pump body. Now finish.